So when I moved, my cover flew off. You can't just replace it. Maybe if you went online you might be able to, but I had to actually buy the whole freaking thing. And so I'm gonna replace both of them. Silicone caulk. So to protect them, I covered it up with some plastic, some good old-fashioned duct tape, both of them. Way too much silicone. I'll explain why in a minute. Went ahead and silicone around that too. So from the other videos you saw, I had duct tape, a trash bag over this. It did not work. It's wet. It was holding water. It's dry in here though, but even still, wet is wet. It'd be condensation. Water in any form of electronics is not a good thing. Should have paid attention to what I was videoing. Way too much silicone. Don't care. Be alright. It's not. I have spare parts now, so fuck it. Went ahead and sealed all the way around. Why not, right? Be fun getting that off. So whenever you're putting silicone on something and you're done with, whenever you're done putting silicone on something, it's not just silicone, caulk, anytime you're done using a tube of anything, always remember to put a screw in the end of it. That way it don't dry and harden on you. That's why I wound up with so much silicone on everything. It's because I had to cut the end off twice to get the silicone out. Fun, but now the job's done.